My dear brothers and sisters, we heard a small extract from the long discourse which Jesus gave on He being the Good Shepherd. And today's text, Jesus speaks about two kinds of shepherds or two kinds of leaders. We use our terminology. One kind of shepherds or leaders who lead us astray. But the manifesto is so tempting that we fall prey to them. But there he says, our wolves, our robbers and thieves, they come in to steal us and our soul. And what's the manifesto? They say if you want to have place in society, place in the world, be respected, people come and fall at your feet and ask for favors and so on. So these people should be wealthy. They should have a lot of wealth, possessions in all ways, be it properties, be it cars and so on. So the devil says, the shepherd comes as only to rob them. They are not a good shepherd because it says all that they offer us is only for temporary, only we are in this world. A time may come when we will lose all our wealth and no one will come to us. So he says, beware of these people, of these leaders who tempt us to acquire wealth and wealth and wealth and possession status, not knowing that we are in this world transient beings. That when we leave this world, we take nothing along with us except our good deeds. The other shepherd Jesus speaks of, he says, is the one who offers you not wealth, but offers eternal life. Now to follow him, what this manifesto is, suffering, pain, rejection and all that sort. But he says, the reward, final one, is life eternal. So all the time as we live on this earth, we hear two voices. One voice which tempts us to fall prey to these so-called earthly things. Other voice which also tells us to follow the voice of the Lord and walk his path. And Jesus said, I am the way. And he has shown us the way. Now, when we hear these voices, how to respond? UNESCO tells us we need to discern which voice gives us long, so-called satisfaction, long happiness. If the one which gives long happiness is the voice we have to follow. But the voice which gives us temporary happiness or time being says reject that voice. So we ask the Lord the grace today to always to discern the voices that we hear all the time from different leaders in our own state, in our own families, our own friend circle, everywhere. And to discern it so well that we do not lose the track, the path Christ has shown to us.